We'll show you how to disassemble this JD307 nail gun. It's a single-shot tool and needs to load a new nail and powder cartridge after use. Firstly, unscrew the reset pin cap. Then, take out the reset pin spring and piston reset pin. Next, pull the barrel off the receiver tube. Afterwards, unscrew and take out the fastener guide. Use the handle to unscrew the nut. Then, pull the piston rod off the barrel. Next, unscrew several screws on the grip with a screwdriver. Pull out the receiver assembly. Then, take out the spring and firing pin. Unscrew the screws on the receiver tube. Then pull off the firing mech spring and breech block. This is a picture showing the spare parts of the JD307 powder actuated nail gun. The nail gun requires regular maintenance and care. We can use the brushes in the packaging to clean each component individually, removing impurities and dust. Then, lubricate the components with lubricating oil.